To create exercise goal on Google Calendar. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create exercise goal easy and fast. So first thing, go to Google Calendar. This is the home page as you can see right here. Now go to down here and click on this option. After you click on it, now choose goal, the first one, and it will take you to this page. Now choose exercise right here, the first one. Now choose which exercise that you want, for example workout or run or walk or yoga, or you can custom from here. Click run for example, and how often you want to do it, once a week, or choose how long and the best time. And yeah, that's it. Now click here and it's done. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.